We're almost at the end of the video now. I just wanted to make one more point about the MAD, variance, and standard deviation. And then at the end of the video, we'll cover the difference between a sample statistic and a population parameter, which is just a little bit more vocabulary. The last point I wanted to make about the MAD, variance, and standard deviation is that when those three values are calculated with the same data set, the MAD and the standard deviation come out to about the same number, and the variance comes out to a number that's quite a bit bigger than both the MAD and the standard deviation. In this example right here, we have data from a population of 5 people, and we've calculated the MAD, the variance, and the standard deviation of the 5 values. We can see that the MAD and the standard deviation came out to about the same number, and the variance, which is in the blue box, came out to a number quite a bit bigger than both the MAD and the standard deviation. We know that the MAD literally is the average distance to the mean, because each absolute deviation is just the distance from that data value to the mean, and the MAD is just the mean of all of those distances. Since the standard deviation comes out to a number that's close to the MAD, you could say that the standard deviation is roughly the average distance to the mean. So the MAD literally is the average distance to the mean, and the standard deviation is a number that's roughly the average distance to the mean. That's why people usually say that the MAD and the standard deviation are conceptually the same thing. They're pretty much interchangeable. So now that I've made this last point about the MAD, variance, and standard deviation, we'll talk about the difference between a sample statistic and a population parameter.